Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Fit with Ade. In today's tutorial, we're taking you how to make this beautiful handkerchief skirt. If this is your first time of coming across my video, please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Thank you. So the first thing you're going to do here is to fold your fabric into 4. After that, you are going to mark your round waist measurement here, and to get your round waist measurement, you are going to divide your hip by 6.28. So whatever you have is what you are going to use for your round waist measurement. After that, mark your length measurement on both sides. Your length measurement, mine is 22. So after that, on this side, after marking your length of 22 inches, add extra 3 inches. You can add more if you want, but I added extra 3 inches, so I mark it out. After that, I cut it out. After cutting it out, you notch your side edges like this, the way I'm doing it. You notch it to avoid confusion. The next thing you are going to do here now is to cut 10 inches of straight fabric. So you are going to cut two of it, like 10 inches of it for the front and back. So after cutting it out, you are going to cut your waistband too. So to get your waistband, you are going to measure what you have on your waist skirt, round waist skirt. So all what you have is what you use to cut your waistband. Mine is 50, so I cut out 50 length and also added sewing allowance. Use elastic band of your choice for your exact waist measurement like this and attach it to the skirt. So this is what it looks like after you are done. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.